So I'm doing a review on the Faraday Defense EMF bags that I just got yesterday, and I've already had the Titan RF bag, or I should say fabric, and so I'm going to test these with the meter on a cell phone, and in a separate video I'll review the Titan made by Mission Darkness fabric. I already know what the results are going to be, but I want to document them using the actual meter. Faraday bags come in a pack. They recommend nesting, which is what I already do anyway with my Faraday cages. We're going to use the cell phone as an example today, and I've got a EMF 390 tester that we'll use, which should give some credibility to the test. I'll also do a call test, cell call test. But let's look at the regular amount of radiation coming off the phone here. And it varies because the phone's not always sending out a consistent signal, but you can see here it's anywhere from 3 to 47-ish. And there's a 52. But generally, if you just hold it above the phone, you're only going to get between probably 6 and 40. So we're going to nest the phone, but first we're going to try one bag. Go ahead. All right, so we're doing the cell.
Dance flow silly.
Yeah.
The ladies go
nice ringer, but anyway, obviously the bag's not blocking. I've got it inside a larger bag to nest with 2 bags now. Go ahead and call it.
Dance flow silly. The ladies
still not blocking the
silly.
signal. All right, now we're in 3 of these Faraday Defense bags with the cell phone, and he's going to try and call it again. Are you calling it?
Dance flow silly.
Nope, there it
the
goes.
Ladies
So 3 bags, it's still getting the signal. Okay, so the iPhone failed. I should say the Faraday Defense bags failed the cell call test. Now we're going to check the levels. Not real high, 7, which is the low end of what we saw before. So here's what you're looking at right here. And there's a little bit of a cycling as this phone probably sends out some kind of signal it's looking for, or whatever. Okay, now I've got the phone nested in 2 bags, and let's just run it over here and see what kind of signal we get, or I should say radiation. So that's a little better. Probably there was a peak of about 4.7. So it is doing something. Okay, so now we've got the phone nested in 3 Faraday Defense EMF Solutions bags. Let's see what it registers. There's a 3, 9, 11. So the phone's probably putting out, sending a signal, I would guess, maybe checking email or whatever. But when it's idle, you can see it's not getting much above 2-ish. So that's the result. It looks like the bags don't block the signal in, but they reduced the radiation from the phone out. And that's not really what I'm looking for. I'm not looking to protect myself from radio waves. I'm looking to protect the phone from signals and waves that are coming from the outside. So next I'm going to test the Mission Darkness Faraday fabric, which I already know will pass the cell test.